Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Welcome to today's video. If you are watching this, it means you want to change your life, and I respect that. Stop thinking, start speaking. Do you understand English but feel nervous, slow, or stuck when you try to speak? Do you find yourself translating every word in your head, pausing too long, or worrying about making mistakes? You are not alone. Many learners spend years studying grammar and vocabulary, yet when it comes to speaking, they feel unsure, hesitant, or even frustrated. This graded reader video is designed to help you speak English fluently and confidently without translating in your head. It will guide you step by step to practice reading, listening, and speaking in a natural, relaxed way. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more comfortable expressing yourself in English and speaking with confidence. Speaking English is not just about memorizing grammar rules or learning a long list of words. Real fluency comes from practice, repetition, and thinking in English. Just like how we learned our first language, this lesson is created to help you do exactly that. In this graded reader lesson, you will listen carefully to simple, clear sentences, read aloud, and follow along, repeat, and speak naturally at your own pace. By doing this, your brain starts to recognize sentence patterns. Your mouth learns the correct sounds and your speaking becomes automatic. You don't need to think in your native language anymore. This is how real fluency is built. This lesson is perfect for anyone who understands English but struggles to speak smoothly, pauses or hesitates too much when trying to talk, feels nervous or worried about mistakes, translates every word in their head before speaking, wants to sound natural, confident, and fluent. The method is simple but extremely effective. You will hear sentences spoken clearly and slowly so you can understand the rhythm and pronunciation. You will then read them aloud and finally speak them naturally. Repeating sentences multiple times helps your brain store them, so speaking English starts to feel easier and more automatic. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to build confidence, not fear. Speaking aloud every day, even for just a few minutes, will help you improve faster than any grammar book or vocabulary list. Here's how to get the most out of this lesson. 1. Listen fast. Pay attention to pronunciation and natural pauses. 2. Read aloud. Follow along and try to match the speaker's rhythm. 3. Speak freely. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak confidently and clearly. 4. Repeat daily. Consistent practice is more effective than long, irregular sessions. 5. Think in English. Try to understand the sentences without translating in your head. This graded reader approach trains your brain and mouth together. Over time, you will notice that you can speak faster and more confidently. You hesitate less when forming sentences. Your pronunciation and sentence flow improve. You start thinking in English naturally. Even if you have struggled with speaking before, this lesson can make a big difference. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate progress. Speaking English is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Stop thinking, start doing. Thinking feels safe, It feels productive, but most of the time it's just fear wearing a clever disguise. You don't need more plans. You don't need more motivation. You don't need to feel ready. You need action. Every successful person you admire once felt unsure, unqualified, and afraid. The difference? They moved anyway. Confidence didn't come fast, movement did. Mistakes are not proof you are failing, they are proof you are trying. Waiting for the perfect moment is the trap. The perfect moment doesn't arrive, it's created when you take the first step. Start small, start messy, start scared, but start. One step today beats a thousand thoughts tomorrow. Speak less doubt, take more action. And remember, your future is built by what you do now, not what you think about doing. Now breathe and take the next step. Stop thinking, start speaking. Your journey to fluent English begins now.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.